Hey guys, it's Jason at Hard Money Bankers with your Private Money Minute. So today we're going to talk about how to get money for your investment properties. Now, even though I'm a hard money lender, I'm not really biased related to this because I do believe that hard money is the easiest and the fastest, and pretty much anyone can get hard money for their real estate investment deals. So we're going to talk about hard money first. If you're a newer investor, I would definitely stick with a hard money lender. And if you're an experienced investor and you already have good funding sources, great, or consider hard money on your next deal that you need to close quickly. So the reason why I think hard money is really the best and the fastest and the easiest way to do things is several different reasons. Number one, typically you probably need the least amount of down payment compared to a bank, right? You know darn well that a bank's not closing your loan in a few business days when a hard money lender can. Hard money lenders are typically real estate investors themselves, so they can look over your shoulder, help out a little bit. Yes, they're protecting their best interest and making sure they have proper collateral, but at the same time, most lenders aren't going to lend you money on a project that they think you're going to fail in, or a deal that's not all that great, because then they know that they're jeopardizing the way that they're getting money back. Now, a few other things. Obviously, you're going to need money into the deal, and potentially halfway decent credit, right? If you don't have any money at all, chances are real estate investing probably isn't for you unless, hear my but, unless you can get access to some. Chances are you're not going to find anyone to give you 100% of everything. If you are, that's great, but at the very least, you still should have skin in the game. Like, it's hard to sleep at night investing in a business or creating a business without kind of having some sort of skin or your own money, additional collateral, something like that, into a deal. So let's say you do get a hard money loan from a lender, and I don't know, you're going to borrow $150,000. They're probably going to require you to have like $20,000 into the deal. Pay some of the points, make monthly payments, start construction draws, things like that. There's not very many businesses that you can get into and borrow money for somebody for a business where you're only going to need like $20,000 of your own money into it. So think about it. So either it's got to be your own money, or maybe you get a family member or a friend, or maybe even a business partner or another investor who wants to get in this deal with them and share the profits with them, just so you have some skin in the game. But the barrier to entry in order to use hard money lending is so easy, and there's so many benefits. So if you're a newer investor, or if you're an experienced investor and you want to close quick on some of these projects, you got to consider hard money. I understand that sometimes it's cheaper to raise private capital, sometimes it's cheaper to wait and use bank money, sometimes it's cheaper or easier to, figure out some sort of joint venture partnership or things like that. That's all great, and if you have access to that and you're not missing out on opportunities, then certainly try that and use that. But the hard money aspect of things is so powerful. And we've seen so many really, really large real estate investors that we do loans for being able to scale their businesses because they know they have the financial backing of a hard money lender. And typically most hard money lenders have a good bit of capital. I mean, our job as a hard money lender is to go raise as much capital as we can to make sure we have enough money to fund every deal that we have on the streets. So that's something we said as well. So hope you'll consider it. If you have any comments related to that, or you know what, why don't you tell me how you're funding your deals right now? Comment below with the way you're funding your deals. That would be very, 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 very helpful. And as always, like, comment, share, subscribe. This is Jason with your Private Money Minute.